Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing the Tefal access steam so it works reliably. First, fill the removable tank to the max line and use distilled water if you have hard water. This prevents limescale. Next, attach the proper accessory for your fabric and lock it into place so steam flows correctly. Finally, plug in, switch to low steam and wait about 2-3 minutes until the ready light shows. This warms the boiler and primes consistent steam. Once the unit is ready, focus on technique to avoid water spots and uneven results. Hold the steamer approximately 15-20 cm from delicate fabrics and closer for heavier materials. This controls moisture. Use vertical strokes and move from top to bottom so gravity helps smooth fibers. Make short 3-5 second steam bursts rather than a continuous blast, and keep a gentle tension on the fabric to let steam relax fibers. This method reduces. To finish, switch off and unplug the Tefal access steam, empty the tank and hang garments for 5-10 minutes to fully dry and set the shape. For maintenance, descale per the manual schedule. Occasional vinegar or commercial descaler clears mineral buildup and preserves steam power. If you notice weak or sputtering steam, make sure the tank is full, the nozzle and accessory are clear, and the heating indicator reached ready temperature. Cleaning the nozzle or repeating a warm-up cycle usually resolves it.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.